this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. If you're looking for a Toyota pickup, you found a low mileage, excellent one right here. This is the 2019 the Toyota Tacoma. Stock number is T18284A. Take notice of the exterior condition. You want to talk about low miles also? How about 8,600 miles? That's it. It's practically like brand new. It's got a tunnel covering, tow package, super duper clean truck. We're gonna make our way up the driver's side. SR5 edition, of course. Going on the interior here, take notice of the impeccable condition, no rips, no tears, no stains. Easy access to all the controls within your hands, reach. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, that's the sunset difference. For more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, call, email, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day.